Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to play ambient sounds on your Mac to create a relaxing atmosphere or boost your productivity. To listen to ambient or background sounds on your Mac computer, you need to have macOS Ventura or later versions installed on your Mac. So let's get started. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility. Next, select Audio on the right pane and turn on the switch for background sounds. To completely turn off background sounds, click the toggle button to switch it off. Click the Choose button in the following step to select your favorite ambient or background sounds. If it's your first time activating background sounds, you need to download the sounds before using this feature on your Mac. After selecting your favorite sounds, click OK. To remove a sound, click on the trash button first and then click Remove. To adjust the background sounds volume, drag the slider to the right or left. If you want to turn off background sounds when your Mac is not in use, turn on the toggle button. To easily toggle background sounds on and off, click Control Center. Scroll down until you see the hearing icon. Add the icon to your Mac's menu bar and Control Center by turning on the toggle buttons. You can now play and stop the background sounds from your Mac menu bar. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.